Good morning, students. Yesterday, I gave one assignment to all of the students regarding use of egg function or finding out the aggregate value from data frame objects values. It is very easy. Some of students are facing how to do practical over mobile or through the online compiler. That is very easy. If you are having any syntactical error, in that case it will produce error, otherwise your program will be executed perfectly. The students who are facing such type of problem, I will see it how program can be developed here. You just have to start the site, move to code tester part. Here it will start your online compiler ID, online ID, where you can type your program, and after typing you can just execute your program. What you have to do, on first at the very beginning, you just have to press only a single character. It will fork your compiler for first time only. Then after you can type your whole program here. I am doing the same. I am already having this program in my clipboard, that's why I copied here. Now what we can do, the program is written here, maybe data changes as per our question, but the purpose of this program is same. We are having two fields only, name and score, having some name values as part of name and some scores. Then we create data frame with the help of the dictionary data. df is a data frame is created. Now with the help of df we call egg method. Here we have to pass dictionary. There may be mention first part as the field where we want to apply the aggregate function, and second part the name of the functions like max, mean, sum. So all of values of max, mean and sum will be returned and will be assigned into R object, and that R object will be displayed. So how we can execute this one is very simple. You just have to press over the run button that is given in green color. Here I press it, here I execute the program. It will execute and will take some time if it is being executed for first time, because library is being moved from server side to your mobile phone or on your system. So it will take some moment for first time, and then after your program will be executed quickly. So wait for some time. It is installing pytz library, it is installing pandas library. Okay, it is executed, the program is executed and it is returning value into R, and that R is being displayed. So maximum value of this data frame is 86, you can see. Then minimum value is 32, and the sum of all the values is 293. So I instruct all the students, they can do it over mobile phone also, they can write. It will be some harder to type over the mobile. If they are having system, they can use the computer. Okay, it is suggested if they are not having a computer, it is not required to purchase computer. There are limited program and it can be practiced over mobile phone as well. So no need to purchase any laptop, as the device they are having, they can do it on their device. Okay, that's enough for this part. Okay, thank you.